Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace a brake light switch on the square body. What are you doing, Doc? Why you look so guilty? Alright, let's head to the outside. It's a nice 40-degree day outside with chance of rain. So, we'll get to it. What actually ended up happening, I left the truck after driving it, and then like 4 days later, because I don't daily drive it, so 4 days later, battery completely dead. Now I'm talking dead. Like it took 3 days to restore it pretty much. And then once I started looking into it, I did a little test to see what's going on, and there was huge draw. And then after figuring it out, it was a brake light switch. So I cobbled it together while waiting for the parts with some zip ties to make it kind of work. But now the part finally came through, so we can actually start working. All right. So first we're gonna remove the club so it's not in our way. Alright. As anything in a square body, doesn't really require much of tools or anything. It's just gonna be your usual screwdrivers. We're gonna take this panel out. All right. So the brake light switch is actually right over here. As you can see, I had to cobble it together with some zip ties because, you know, parts take a while. Let's see if I can get you guys a better light. So I have to get all my cobbling together. As you can see, that shouldn't happen when you try to pull it out. So mine's completely disintegrated. But, you know, it happens. Let's see if the Harbor Freight's finest pliers can get her out. There's plastic threads over there. Usually, they'll just pull out like that. Boom. Alright. Here's our disintegrated switch. Like literally, it fell apart. So a new one from Rakauto. It's actually made by NGK. I love NGK, so hopefully it will work out pretty well for us. I need to get this bracket out first. Yeah, because that's on the way. There's a little bracket in there that's kind of in the way. I'll see if I can get that out first. Okay. Get this bracket out. Because the nut system will actually work out a little better. Alright, cool. So it fits. The test fitted it, so we're gonna get this nut over here. That way we can tighten it all up. And hopefully will not decapitate myself. Which does not sound like a good idea. feel like we got it pretty close. and then we're gonna release our brake and then plug in the battery, because unplug the battery from the truck because of this, and see if we need to adjust it anymore. All right. Alright, let's test on it. It's nothing better than a new one. Alright, so now I gotta see if our brake lights come on. Gotta use our club again. Brake light on. Brake lights off. Perfect. Time for a struggle. Putting this thing back on. The worst one is this vent. It's always pain in the ass because it catches like on a brake. No. I thought they had you. Where's that thing? It's somewhere in there. No. No. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's little metal tabs. They slide out all the time, so sometimes you have to persuade them a little bit. All right. Where did that tab go? No. Alright, we're back in business. Hi my friends, hopefully this video was helpful and hopefully your brake lights work now. Or if you didn't know why your battery drained overnight for no reason, could be it. Bye guys, take care. Almost forgot, please support your local animal shelters. Right Bear Bear? Right Laddie?